Dispatch, we got a 1029 at East Northfield Church in Sutton.
What do you think's going on here? What's the matter? What did I do? Go!
So you have two options. You can wait for your lawyer who's probably going to sell you out anyways, or you can cooperate and tell me everything.
So what'll it be? We want the whole story.
So it started when I was in a market for a new car and I was driving to the dealership. Then I saw it.
Hey there, sir. My name's Anthony. How can I help you?
Hello. Kind of interested over in the MINI GP3 I saw online. Is it still for sale?
Yeah, we're still selling it.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, how do you feel about a test drive?
I guess if you're
Yeah.
offering,
Yeah, I'll join
always
you.
gonna test drive a car.
Here you go, man. It actually has a surprising amount of trunk space.
Oh, really?
Let me show you. Yes, as you can see, you can fit at least 10 dead babies and, I don't know, 3 dogs. Oh, sorry, bad joke. Speakers brand new HK speakers. The previous owner, they were unfortunately blown out, but we went ahead and took care of that.
Sounds pretty good.
A shooting at a Red Roof Inn motel in Ann Arbor, Michigan has taken place.
See, dead body joke wasn't so bad now, was it?
Guess we get on the road.
Yeah, let's go. Alright, you see that little switch right there underneath the shifter?
Oh yeah, yep.
Yeah, flick that towards you and that puts it into sport mode. Then after that, if you want to open the exhaust, you got that little bomb detonator there and just press the button. Perfect.
So you started a test drive. What went wrong?
After this car passes right here,
Yeah.
just go ahead, take a left, and we're on a big stretch of road here. Just, yeah, feel free to give it a little bit of gas. Yeah, it feels good, huh? Okay, it's slow, ease off the gas. I'm glad you're having fun, but let's keep the seats clean, huh? Dual climate control here for either passenger in the car. Let's slow it down. No, I said drive it like you stole it, but I'm starting to think you might actually steal it.
What is your emergency?
Hello? Police? Being kidnapped.
Kidnapping? Okay. Code 1210.
Copy that.
Oh, a cop. I wonder what he wants.
Dispatch, we got a 1029 at East Northfield Church in Sutton.
Took you long enough, officer.
What do you think's going on here? What's the matter? What did I do? Go! still don't know what this is
You
about.
have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
It was just a test drive. Where's the salesman? He'll vouch for me.
So here's where we stand. The dealership and salesman can press charges on both kidnapping and Grand Theft Auto.
Even if it was an accident?
However, we do have one offer for you. It's up to you, man.
I was always going to buy.
I need you to sign here and here.